aren't you thinking like this thing ukuthi comparison sine comparana lo mhlambe lo compare abantwana balona bafana balona bangcono kunabalona
nalo kanjalo and nasefamily nikhumbule ukuthi i-success yethu neyiphope at the same time lo muntu oba successful ecala lo munye asalele emuva akukaze kwayendeka ukuthi niphume nonke at the same time akukaze kwayendeka maybe naloko kube khona maybe naloko ukuthi uma bathethisa lo basebenzisa igama lalo yabo why ungafani nazibani yabo ini wena ufana nazibani yabo maybe into enjalo naloko ukuthi in each and every family value you always have your favorite.
Yeah, that's true.
Niyathandana it's fine but kunalo ukuthi vele yakuthi vele inkosana vele noma ngenzekalani ngiyakuthi noma kunenkinga noma kwenzakala empilo yami he's there so unjani.
Yeah, it's no they into tema family they know it's too much.
Yeah. Hey, you don't choose family.
Yabona mina la futhi la bekukhulu so we fight me and my brother we fighting for something that is not ours just imagine. No the first one. Yeah.
Phela kubabe ukuthi ulwe kakhulu nalolo lamana naye.
Yeah, mina like ngikhala ngimali ma fights nabo boy too we discuss this thing.
Khanda shisa ngo.
Yeah, some other time like be ekseni be ngisikoleni and bengina macanza. Lishisa yabo mama chatha khamba I don't know we are fighting about what. Nalo somkhathini. Ngishanga lelipani la lemacala azange ngicine ngilona ngiyela lamacala and bengithatha those ekseni bengihlala ngifaka ama specs la yini yabo kana specs no before even bangishaya ama specs la yini kanti beyasola ngigubha amehlo yabo yeah but smart semangofakile lapho nanani mangena bo members ngiwakhiphe njalo yabo so bayabona and I mean every time I'm notice ukuthi ama specs angigubha amehlo ngiyakhala every time yeah sebagcina bangiyela singafaya because bengilimele la kanti so la ngigubha bese bangibona every time sengikhale kani
aphuma nyembezi
kangilimata la manje so we fight mina nama siblings ami
mana nawo ama specs la yellow
yeah no because smart when I was young in primary
bufunda lo primary
icatulana
oh fuck yeah
and because smart isikhathi leso yeah bana mina ngibafuna like ngistyle
bana vele into le weird
yeah
bana lo waya Galaxy boy
yeah
I won't understand
and mara bana baningi bafa babe
kana bawutshekisa and kuhle
bafanele kuhle angithola ngikazi ngithola umuntu wafakile
nami ngikukhumbula vele wonke umuntu uyotshekisa obeceleni
and kuba nice wonke umuntu uyafisa ukuthi hey nami uyafisa nengizowatshekisa awali as expensive
oh Galaxy boy fanele
no I don't think so because yonke sekune replica yonke lamhlabeni
I know mara phela ngani vele bathenza ikori
yeah mhlambe phela
ukuthi umuntu ufuna ukuduma
mara phela ukhumbula ukuthi there's no one who can differentiate le or lena is original
mase igcona mase ngikufake sengitshekisa sengeni ngibona ukuthi ngithengela lapha emandiyeni yebo ngicabanga feeling leya
nokuhlala lamalanga lapha emabhasini edrobheni lapha la ngasema terminals yabo and bathengisa imali
oh yeah lapha
labo sisi labapaka lapha ngetimoto bele toto yo
mara tihle bahlala kumake vele nama I want to bought i-coat
sithola ngathi kuma emabuto nani everything like that yeah and
tihle tinto tabo and tiqinile
uthola abantu bapake ngetimoto lapha so lento lokuthi ini
igama
so lonke uma uclean
umuhle ugezile yeah ngikubalekile
ngiyakuva sinto so ufunza lapha isikolo primary
for the 80 million in primary school.
Oh, that's the reason you so donate time because you
one of the reasons. I'm giving back to the ground, like plant my seed.
Yeah.
It
was my first day in the school.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. I have so many memories there.
What was happening?
Uyabona phela i-foundation phase ngani uyakhula uyajwayela
yes
bese ngijwayele ukuthi okay nabo means bana there was this teacher she was my favorite bengizizwa njani may her soul rest in peace MZ Cause
okay I don't know
ngilona ke ngilo owner isekunjalo printers
lo body okay nebehlala nje lama 14
ngiyacabanga mama memo wabehlala lama 14
oh okay
washona I can't even remember when yo she used to love me being even uma ngisesikoleni bengiva ngathi solo ngihamba na mama esikoleni alendlela ngeke bengithi yo bekangithanza shem and ngeva buhlungu ukuthi ngafanda out ngepassing yakhe sekangcwatshiwe yo I was so heartbroken bekangithanza lo manje bengifundisa grade 2 bengithi noma
subjects
all subjects bengithi noma senga grade 3 bengiya omcheck ngemvakasheni noma senga until ngaze ngaphuma yena waphuma washiya mina retirement
Oh,
ngiyacabanga retire
okay.
sekela grade 4 or 5 khona
Nah.
la. Yeah. But then, yeah.
Abaphithu, yeah.
Kube mnanzi ish yabuva leyo nto but
Mm.
then secondary ngifunze esitindile
Okay.
yabo ngiphuma ngalandlela ngala
Okay.
ngifuna inkinga
Angifuni uthatha
bekunzima njani
Ne.
so kulesi isikole
Mm.
nebantu lokabadi uthishela ubadi and la ubuya khona bayakwadi
Mm.
so